What's up YouTube, NetNam channel here. I got a lot of questions about the Bronco Unleashed app, about the features, about how to use it alongside the original Cowboy app. Is it working on the newer models or only on the older models? But a lot of questions also are about how to install it. So that's why I thought about making a video about the process to put it on your phone. Let's go. First of all, we need the original Cowboy app. So go to the Play Store, search for Cowboy, and then you see the app. Click on install. This might take a while depending on your internet speed. My connection is the slowest of the world, so it takes a bit to download 16 megabytes, but we'll get through it. There you go. Now you need the Cowboy app to register your bicycle. So it's registered to a code you get. When creating an account, you will have to add this code to your account, and then it can pair the bicycle. Here I don't need to do that because the code is already registered to my account, and I just need to sign in and set up the account the second time. So I allow all permissions. And in here you see that the app started up. You see the map of where the bicycle is. And this is just standard procedure of going through all the steps to install the Cowboy app. Right, at this moment we have configured the Cowboy app, and now we can exit the app and look at the Bronco Unleashed app. Just to make it clear, the Cowboy Unleashed app is not at the Google Store, at the Play Store. I'm searching here for the Bronco Unleashed app. And as you see, there's no Bronco app anywhere near. The way you can find this app is just to open your browser. With me, that's Google Chrome. And then in Google, search for Bronco Unleashed. And then you get to the GitHub pages, click the link, and at the bottom of the page on your phone you see download Bronco Unleashed. So let's click the link, see what happens. So I already downloaded the file before making this video, but I'll download it again to show off my internet speed. And then the next step is to open the file that you just downloaded. It asks you to install. And it's an unsafe app because it's not coming from the Play Store. Click more details and click install anyway. Alright, the app is installed. We can open it now. And there you go. If you log in for the first time with this app, you have to link the bicycle. So you scan, it says retry scan at the bottom. But when you first open the app, you just do scan and it finds your bike. And there we go. Unlock it. And we are in the Bronco Unleashed app. Alright, that's about it. That is how you configure the Bronco Unleashed app. The Cowboy app is not needed anymore from this point. I always keep it in my phone, just to be sure if something happens to Bronco or it's not working, or then I reconfigure it with the Cowboy app, but it's not necessarily needed anymore. So that's about it. I'm really enjoying the Bronco Unleashed app. With the standard settings and the standard speed, it already is driving better than the Cowboy application in my opinion. And if you have any questions, leave some comments below, subscribe and thumbs up people. Bye bye.